Look what just came in the mail today. This is the Benicci Moscow Mule Copper Mugs. And this will keep any drink cold because of the copper mugs. And they're also made of food grade material too. And you're gonna get a set of 4 of these plus straws as well as a jigger too. And let me show you how nicely packaged these are. Perfect. No damage here. And these are gonna be great to give as a gift as well. Let me open it up so you can see what it looks like. So look how nice this is. You're gonna be getting 4 of these copper mugs as well as this copper jigger too. Perfect. As well as 4 copper straws and also this cleaning brush for the straws. Let me show you a close-up of all of them. Here's a close-up of the copper mugs, and they're also welded handles too. And what's really neat about these are they're handcrafted, so no 2 are gonna be alike. How beautiful are these? You're also going to get this jigger too. Perfect, and it's double-sided as well. You're also gonna be receiving these 4 copper straws. And they've also given you a brush so you can clean the copper straws. Perfect. So I just put some juice inside it and let's try it out. Perfectly cold. The mug is cold too, and so is the straw. I was sent this set from Benicci and I absolutely love it. Would make a great gift or for you to use throughout the whole entire year. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful. Cheers!